Now, Anuj is standing by with a quick look at what markets are going to do, the trade setup. Anuj, yesterday a big move, but we were talking about it for the last 30 minutes or so. A lot of it is covering. I mean, FII has cut short positions aggressively once again.
Yeah, absolutely, Prashant. Good morning. And you know what? This is a market in which most money has been made by those who have been unadulterated bulls on India and haven't worried about either the domestic cues or the geopolitical worries. In fact, this is a market which is showing you the power of domestic cues. From the recent lows, the Nifty is up nearly 1,000 points and the Bank Nifty almost 3,000 points. And big domestic companies are coming out with strong numbers. We saw the numbers from Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. And yesterday, we saw some really strong numbers from UltraTech Cement. So that clearly is propelling the market. Also, yesterday's rally was supported by the first predictions of a good monsoon, normal or above normal monsoon. That's also something which helped. On the trade setup, clearly, as you said, the FIs are beginning to cover their short positions finally. 3,600 crores of buying. And within that, what was interesting was that nearly 53,000 shorts were covered yesterday. And the 3,600 crores of index futures buying, if you see fresh build-up of 37,000 long short were cut by about 16,000 contracts thereabout. And in fact, if you see over the last 2 days, on April 26, when we started the series, we were at almost 1 lakh short contracts. We are now at 46,000. So that tells you the power of short covering. The only worry is that the market might be beginning to get a lot overbought. A couple of factors for that. The India VIX has already started showing signs that the complacency is getting a bit too much. So yesterday we saw 12% rise in India VIX. On a day the market was up and the put call ratio has gone up to 1.23. And if today there's another gap up, it could approach 1.35, 1.4. So intraday there could be some bit of dip in market today after a trend day yesterday. Coming to levels now on the Nifty, the next resistance, of course, the all-time high 22,775. We should test that at some point today. The bigger resistance is 22,875 to 22,900 going by the options data. Support comes in at 22,450 to 22,500 and then the 10 and 20-day exponential moving average of 22,350 to 22,400. On the Bank Nifty, do remember we had D-1 yesterday because the weekly expiry is today for both Nifty and Financial Services Index. There was trend day yesterday. It's possible that you could have some consolidation today within a range. The first resistance is 49,550 to 49,700 and then the all-important 50,000 psychologically important mark. The support here comes in at 49,000 to 49,200 and then 48,500, which is the 5-day exponential moving average, tells you the kind of extension that we have in the Bank Nifty. I'll leave you with the quote of the day, and this one comes from none other than Jeff Bezos, and there it is. I knew that if I failed, I wouldn't regret that, but I knew the one thing I might regret is not trying.
Okay, I'm sure the bulls are saying that, right? They tried and succeeded eventually. Thanks a lot, Anuj, for that. So important life and market lessons over there.